Yeah, said you'll find what you're looking for when you stop looking. All of your exes with lessons in. We'll talk about them again, you keep on settling. Wonder if love is a pain or the medicine. You never let it in, well I guess that you're right. But fake has been never my type, and I didn't build up this wall overnight. See, I wanted more than just lust for the night. Then you came in my life, you're different than them. I'm used to them playing pretend, I'm used to your only a friend. Felt deeply in sin, I'm pushing in love and my feelings for fun. Say it, you love me right now and then prove it to me. I promise I'm different, that's hard to believe. Cause you talk, never walk. It's a lame motherfucker, is all you gon' be. Never wanna be surface, I swim in the deep. Man, I swim in the deep. Hate on my music, hate on my concepts. Honestly, this is just me being me, so fuck your opinion. I stick to my vision, making this music and other decisions. I'm sorry, fake friends, I was always too driven. That caused a division, you hate but still listen, it's funny.
What's going on, guys? I know I haven't posted in a long time, but today I'm going to make another video on how to do custom stitching inside your interior for $5 to $10, probably $5, but yeah. The reason I want to make this video is because I've seen a lot of ads on, like, if you want something in a different color, let's say the shift knob or the shift knob, like, you know, the shifter cover. If you want that in like red, yellow, green, it's like 60 bucks for just the leather thing that you have already. And I'll throw some ads up here and there, but yeah, so you guys know. And it's a pretty much waste of money because you already have that thing, but it's in white. So if you want to change the color, you gotta pay $60. I mean, I wouldn't spend that money. I would spend it on like an intake or some shit, put some more money into it, buy an intake, or buy something else, I guess, I don't know, but don't waste your money on that. So that's why I'm gonna be making this video, and let's get right into it. Alright boys, as you guys can see, this is the only thing that you need for the custom stitching in your car. And this, all of like the pack, this pack costed me around like $5. I mean, I just wanted red, but there wasn't red, just red, so I just got the whole pack. And yeah, this is pretty much all you need, and it's super easy, so let's get right into it. Okay, so in this video, I don't know if you guys can see, but you see this white stitching. I'm going to be converting that into red, and I'm going to try to also get all of this white stitching into red. And for the shift knob, as you guys can see, it's not here, which I have removed. It's right here. I'm gonna be converting all this into red, and the shift knob itself, that into red. And pretty much if you want to remove this, all you gotta do is, it's pretty simple, and all you gotta do is get like a screwdriver, just shove it in there and then like poke it up, or like a interior remover, but anything where a screwdriver works. And then once you guys have that removed, as you guys can see, there are two clips on the side, and they clip on right here, so you gotta poke that out and then pull this apart, and that will free like the leather shit from the knob itself. And then for the Camaro, what you gotta do is you gotta pull it really hard, and it should just slide off, as you guys can see right here. And yeah, okay, so now I'm pretty much going to tell you guys how you convert this into red or whatever color you want. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright boys, so the first thing that you want to do, as you guys can see, I have tested it out earlier. So yeah, you can't really see it in this light, but I will get you guys another view. But yeah, so what you want to do is pretty much get the very tip top of the Sharpie, and then just, I don't know if you guys can see it, you just want to hold it over the white or like whatever the previous stitching is. So you just want to hold it on the top, and then just hold it, and then boom. As you guys can see, it soaks in the color. So you just want to do that. It's not really that hard, just press on it, and boom, it's red. And yeah, it's pretty much, it's that easy. I let go early because I wasn't sure how it was looking on camera, but yeah, you just want to hold it for a good amount of time. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just hold it, and then boom, it's red. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna turn all of this into red, and here's another view of it. There you go. As you guys can see, it's pretty nice. Alright, it's pretty nice. Oh, there you go. You guys can see it better. So yeah, that's red stitching. Whatever color you want, just hold it on top of the stitching, and then with a Sharpie, and then the stitching will soak in the Sharpie's color. So whatever color that is, it can be green, blue, black, why the hell not? So yeah, just do that and you should be good. And this should save you like $60 on, like, you know, I've seen a lot of ads on like custom shift knobs and like the shift boot color cover thing. You know, if you want to get that in red, I've seen it for the Mustang and for the Camaro. It's like $60 per like boot, I guess you can put it that way. And this, I'm telling you, $5, $10 maximum is all you need. So now, as you can see, it's pretty good. Now all I'm gonna do is hold my Sharpie over each and every stitching, and we should be good to go. And then I will show you guys the final product once it's done. And yeah. Alright guys, so now I have this panel painted, not painted, like the stitching is red, and same with this panel right here, it's red. And yeah, one tip that I would advise you guys following is so like some stitches like this one and that one, they didn't really suck up the ink. So what I did was I just drew over the stitches, and there were like a couple of marks outside the stitches. So with that being said, just use acetone and get like a microfiber like towel, and then just put a little bit on that. And then once you're done with like the whole panel, let's say you just completed that, just go over, like try not to go on the stitches, but see this black part, like just rub right here, right underneath it, and then right above it. So all of like the excess shit that's on it will go like away. Alright guys, so now I'm finished with this, and as you guys can see, it looks really good in my opinion. There you go, you guys can see that it's red, you know, same with that. So now I'm just gonna slide it back in and then install it, and then I'll let you guys know how it looks installed. The camera really can't pick it up because of the lighting, but you guys can see it here kinda. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go guys, I'm using my iPhone's light right now, but yeah, so that's a finished product. As you guys can see, it looks really good with the contrast stitching. And yeah, I mean, all I did was I used a Sharpie, and the reason why I use a Sharpie is because this shit lasts way long and you wouldn't have to like worry about this coming off. And yeah. So yeah guys, that's pretty much going to be the video, and hopefully you guys liked it, because this is such a cheap way to change your interior into like whatever you want. And yeah, if you guys did like it, make sure to drop a like and check out other videos on what I have done to this car. And yeah, if you guys like the video, please like the video like I said, and subscribe, because there's gonna be a lot of how-to videos for doing cheap shit and pretty much having things work out in the end, I guess you can put it that way. But yeah, thanks for watching and have a good day.
More than just lust for the night, then you came in my life. You're different than them. Used to them playing pretend. I'm used to your whole